episode of Art Zone. You're with me, Danushka Digama. And if you're wondering what I'm doing with this photo frame, actually I'm just beginning to think how bread can be so useful to us. Bread, yes, I'm talking about bread, the bread which we eat, the normal palm. And this photo frame is made out of something called bread craft. So today, once again, I have with us Rekha Dhula, who's going to teach us to make something called, to make very useful photo frames of bread craft. Rekha, can you tell us something about bread craft? This is something very new to me. I've never heard of this before.
This is the craft of the bread which we are eating. Out of that we can make the photo frame, some decorative frames also we can make of this. Once we can start to do something, so you'll just come to know how to use of the bread we can use in the craft. Okay, so making the bread craft we need the eating bread, oil colors, toothpick, scissor, preservative, SH Fevicol. That's it. First we are taking the eating bread and cut the side of the bread.
You only have to use sliced bread, or you can use the normal palm?
No, sliced bread you can use for this. And cut the side of the bread. We are using the side of the bread because when we can make the atta of this, because of this side the colors comes like this kind of brown, and we want the plain white. That's why we have to take out the side of the breads. Like this way we have to cut it the side of the bread or the full packet. Now we have to grind it in the mixer. So now crush the bread and put it.
As you can see here, Rekha has just ground the bread to make it fine, and it's become like this. It feels like a grated coconut, desiccated coconut. So Rekha, now what's our next step?
Okay, in that we have to put the preservative. In the one packet you can put just half spoon of the preservative. Okay, then you have to make the atta with the Fevicol, and don't put the water while making this dough.
This preservative you get on where?
In the chemist you get.
In the chemist, you just ask for
preservative. Hydroxide, the name of the preservative is hydroxide powder. If you ask, you will get in the medical store. Now we can put the Fevicol inside. How normally atta for chapati we can do at home, like that way you can make the atta.
So here it becomes a little messy.
Yeah.
So,
and very easily it's to mix it.
So what is the use of putting the preservatives in this?
Because of the preservative, the fungus won't come on the eating bread.
Okay, so it doesn't get spoiled
also. Yeah. So because of that, we have to put the preservative.
Okay, this is very messy, and you have to put a lot of force and do this. And for me, it's something new, so I think Rekha will be able to do it faster.
Okay. So now our atta is ready. Now we want the different colors for this. So for that, we are using oil colors tubes. So now these are we are dividing in different part to add the other colors. Now I am using the red color. Okay, take the colors how much darker you want.
These are oil colors.
So now I am adding red colors. And very easily you can smash it and mix it. Now Tanushka, you want to try and see? You can put the green color.
Green color.
Mix it properly. And if you want to do some shaded color, don't mix it so much.
So what I've done here is a green shaded color, because I couldn't make a full green because this is something just new for me. So even this, Rekha says, can come handy. So we can make a photo frame of a green color, a green shaded bread craft material.
Now how am I adding the red color? Now it become very soft like chapati's atta, right? Like this way already I'll just keep ready the blue color. We can add the blue color in this. Okay, this one is yellow color. We can put the yellow color in this and make the different colors of atta like this. To make the photo frames, we made this kind of basement. So how Tanushka made the shaded color of this green, like that we can make the red color of this. So now I am showing the green color of this. Take some of the dough and make the rolling. And make the strap. How much long you want you can take. And with the finishing you can cut it with the scissor. Like this way. And you can stick on the border of the photo frame. Like this way. Okay, this is the way you have to make the full square of this, which I already done on that. Okay, now this is too plain, so we'll do some braid craft on that. So we can make some creeper on that, some grass on that, different types of flowers we can put on that. So now I'll show you how to make the grass. And now we are keeping some grass here. To make the grass, take some dough of this and cut it in the V shape. So now this way we make the grass. You can take any shape of the grass. Like this way, already I made the grass, which we can stick it down, with the help of Fevicol. While sticking this grass, you can press the down, so automatically it come up. Here also we require grass, so we can make 2-3 more.